So this is post-construction that was done before, and we are here to set it right and get it perfect for staging. So if we did the post-construction, all this white stuff would have been taken care of. Let's put a light on. So all this is dusty. All the surfaces will get cleaned out. It's little cobwebs a little bit. So all this will get dusted out also. Well, actually, no, I'm wrong. The customer just wants tidy up. You see, this is basically done. Doesn't need much, right? Just the sink, right? The tops is fine. It just needs a wipe down. That's a little dusty, but it really does not need anything. So this is a good cleaning. The windows definitely needs a better cleaning, right? I don't know what that is. So inside the cabinets, we are not going to touch because it doesn't need cleaning. These surfaces, it's not really done properly when I pass my hands on it. So you see this is some of the things that I tried to show you. See the stuff right here? I don't know if you can see that. All this white stuff, it has to be taken care of. You can't leave this stuff when you do post-construction cleaning. So we're going to clean all this. You see this has to be removed. You can't leave this stuff when you do post-construction cleaning. So like I said, this is somebody else's work. We are here to make it tidy and get it ready for cleaning. See this right here, this right there. You can't leave it like that, right? It has to be very nicely done. I know there's dust, but apart from the dust, all this white stuff, has to be removed, right? So, make nice. Like this right here, this you gotta, make it nice. Make it nice. And then if it's not, you come and fill it in better, right? So, that's cool. That's good. The sink is basically always gonna get dirty, so can't worry about it. So the surfaces over here, like this right here, when I pass my hand on it, so you see this? See, let me show you. So you see all this, right? All this has to be removed. You can't leave things like that on the surfaces, right? On the tiles when you do post-construction cleaning. All this stuff has to be removed. So we're gonna make it look much better. This client does not like us using anything to scrape the surfaces, so we are not going to scrape the surfaces, but we are going to take it off. But yeah, so that's one of the things too, is you always got to know what the customer likes and give the customer what they're comfortable with, right? So we're going to see if we could take this off, right? You can't leave this on, stuff like that. So on the other side, see if we could take that one off too. So this is some of the stuff that you do on post-construction cleaning, that like this right here, this, I don't know if they came in and did the work after, but I would say that this was not clean. Why would I say that? You see here, this is very nice, clean perfectly. When I come here, I don't see anything here that tells me that there is dust, but there is dust over here. So what that tells me? That tells me that the person who did the cleaning did not do a good cleaning, right? They did not do a good cleaning, because there is no way that just this area will be dusty and this area is not dusty. So that's some of the things to look for. Now, here, right, I'll pass my hand on the surfaces and see, right? That's just on it, all the stuff, like all this, all this stuff right here has to be removed. You have to clean it properly and remove. It's glue. You got to remove all that stuff on it. But if you are not right, you're going to leave all that stuff. But yes, this is some of the stuff that it's beneficial for you hiring us. You see, all this stuff cannot be left on the surface. All the stuff has to be removed. So, girl cleaning. Another thing too. See, this is one of the things that we always say about getting a professional to clean. Now, you see on the bottom, you see this? Okay. And then you see this, you see this, and then you see this, right? Okay. First, let's address each one. Now, this is when you hire somebody that don't know what they're doing and they put anything on anything to clean anything. There's no telling what they put on it. So now we're going to come and try and clean it, but we can't put something on it because we don't know the reaction of what's going to happen when we put something else on it. So, see, this is where expertise comes in. Now, our customer does not have to worry about spending stuff because I'm going to sit down and figure out a way that I can solve this problem for my customer. That is the value that I bring. So, that is one thing. Now, they cleaned here. This is good. Well, I thought it was good, but see, all this stuff. See, all this tells me that this is not clean. This is dust. This is part of the construction dust. All this is part of the construction dust. This tells me that it wasn't cleaned properly. So from this to this tells me that, and I haven't looked over here yet, but I could guess that if I pass my hand on there, I'm going to see construction dust. Because if you don't clean here, you're definitely not going over there. There is a process to it. You got to start from here to come back. So if you don't start from here, you're definitely not going up here if you started from here. If you started from here, you're not going up here. So that's part of it, right? Okay, see? Put my hand over there. Look, I only got something, right? See? Now, I wipe my hands, right? Okay, I'm going to put my hands over here and see what happens. So you see, not clean, just like I said. See? So this is good example why you should hire somebody or a company, not somebody, but hire a company that knows what they're doing. See, they clean inside, but they left all the stuff in here. This stuff should not be in here. They didn't even touch over here. So, it's crazy. It's crazy when, you hire somebody to come and do a job and, they leave it like this, right? So we're going to give it a good cleaning. Like I said, part of the kitchen is perfectly fine. Does not need a lot of, does not need much. But there are little places, the little things that needs, a touch up. So we're going to do that touch up for that. All right. So that is that for this kitchen. Just hopefully this was helpful.